Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Rainbow Runner is back once again. Tonight is November 22nd of 2023, and this is the night right before Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to all my viewers out there. I know I've been busy and a lot. In fact, the last video I actually made was my reaction to, well, the final out of the World Series, which kind of a shame my D-backs weren't able to make it all the way this year. But they still have their 2001 title to celebrate over, but I guess also kudos to the Rangers. At least they can now officially check themselves off of the list of teams that have never won a World Series. So I guess that leaves the Padres, Rockies, Rays, Brewers, and Mariners, the 5 teams that have never won a World Series to this day. And it's the Mariners in particular who have never even been in the World Series at all. But yes. Anyway, sorry, we're down here at Railroad. An outbound train is on its way. So I think I saw the crossing gates at Val Vista Drive going down. So, and yeah, so I'm gonna move back. I actually remember the very first Railfanning I filmed here at Railroad. I believe it was Railfanning number 9 that I filmed all the way back in 2019. So, but yeah, it's kind of interesting. I mean, of course, you have the cantilevers, you have the crossbuck actually right there for pedestrians. Okay, actually, if you look over that way, I can see the headlights coming into view through the trees and such. And I actually remember almost 3 years ago on Thanksgiving Day, I filmed a Railfanning in Downtown Gilbert. It was I actually checked, it was Railfanning number 65. I filmed in Downtown Gilbert on Thanksgiving Day 2020. But yeah, the train is on it. It's coming up right now. Okay, that Volkswagen, I don't know if it's a Jetta or Passat, ran through the crossing. Here it is. I hope I was able to call out all the locomotives loud and clear enough. Pretty long train, if you will. there's that long streak of tank cars, a few other cars right here, but then, yep, a few more, several more tank cars to mark the end of the train. Yeah, there it is as it goes over the freeway, the Loop 202. And the gates are rising. All right. And yeah, I have my Polar Pop cup right there. Yeah, I was kind of just sitting there for a minute as I was waiting for the train. Actually, there's an inbound right by Germain Road or something, right in Queen Creek, I guess, that stopped to wait for the outbound to pass, which means it should be coming through here pretty shortly. But yeah, looking outbound. Yeah, looking outbound, there's the train as it's continuing off in that direction. All right, I guess while we kill some time, I guess because it's Thanksgiving, tell me what you're thankful for. If you're watching this, I guess also a quick shout out to Railroad Train Spotter. Yeah, the moon is up there. It's in its waxing gibbous phase. All right. All right. So yeah, Higley is the next railroad crossing facing outbound. So yeah, any moment the gates, it should be done fast. It should be done passing Higley Road, if I can talk right. Yeah. And are the gates rising? I can't tell. I think the... Actually, I think now they are. Okay. And then, of course, there's Williamsfield right afterwards. And the signal's still red up there. I think it's at Warner Road. But all right, well, I think I'll wrap up this episode of Railfanning. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. And be sure you stay safe out there, especially with Black Friday, too. All right, Rainbow Runner heading out.